Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journey.
And he's not been drinking. It's only like 8 o'clock in the morning. This video is about the drink package on the Independence of the Seas. Long pause. We're going to talk about the drink package on the Independence of the Seas. So the drink package, first, this is the Coke package. It's the non-alcoholic package, I guess you could say. Everyone in your stateroom must purchase the package, number one, because we really don't drink soda, but ginger ale helps me on a cruise ship for seasickness and that kind of stuff. So we wanted the drink package for myself, but Chet doesn't drink the soda, but we had to buy it for both.
I'm drinking Coke Zero this week.
So there's a couple things about the drink package. We're just gonna ask you right now. We're not gonna tell you how much you think a drink package for 2 people on the Independence of the Seas cost us.
For a 3-night cruise.
For a 3-night cruise. So watch for the end of the video and we'll tell you exactly how much that costs. So for the drink package, they give you a cup and it's got a screw on top and 3 or 4 choices of the type of cup that you want. And there are 4 Coca-Cola stations on the ship.
How many?
4.
4.
There are
okay.
4 machines. I should say there are 4 machines. There are 2 machines up on deck 11 in the marketplace, and 1 machine that has 2 stations at the same location on deck 5 down by Survivor.
So you either got to go to deck
Pizza.
5 or deck 11.
Yes, now they do say that you can go to any bar and any bartender can fill the cup for you. I tried that. They really don't like that. They really want you to go use the Coke station. And then the Coke station down here on deck 5 has been empty for anything 0 calories since the first day we boarded the ship.
Yeah.
So we have to go to deck 11, but deck 11, the marketplace is only open certain hours. So after those hours, you're either down here on deck 5 for the Coke machine or try to get a bartender to give you a beverage. I think the reason the bartenders don't like to do it is because they're touching your cup. And I guess that's with the COVID. They don't want to,
Don't know why. We're just speculating.
We're speculating.
Don't
It's
know why
because of the COVID. So the soda options are all Coke products. There are no Pepsi products. They're all Coke products. So, and it's unlimited. You can go get as much as you want. How does the machine know that you have a drink package? Well, there's a scanner on the bottom of the cup, and when you put the cup under the ice carriage there, and for the soda to be dispensed into it, it reads your code on the bottom. So
Before we knew that, though, we were sticking our hand out like maybe it was a secret handshake. My secret handshake. Can I get a Coke now? No! Go get the right cup! So we had to go buy a drink
out of
package.
here. So
No Coke for you!
we did buy 1 soda when we first got on the ship without the soda package, and it was $9 for 2 cans, a can of Coke
Ginger
Zero
ale.
and a can of ginger ale. It was $9. So we decided, well, that's not going to work out for us. We're better off buying the drink package.
But guess what? It was cheaper if we had bought it online back home, which we
Yes.
didn't do because we didn't think we'd need it. Then we got here and we did, and so it cost more.
It cost more.
That's just your next clue for.
Yes, so if you are going to I would suggest, even if you consider the drink package, you're not sure if you're even going to use it, buy it online first, on land, and then if you get on the ship and you decide, you know what, I don't really think I want a drink package, you can always go to guest services before first thing when you board the ship and have them take it off, or if you'd like to have them switch it to the alcohol package. Either way, it is cheaper to purchase it online.
Yeah, they have 3 different drink packages. One is all for soda. The second one is everything that's not alcoholic. Your mocktails, your juices, your coffees, your teas, all that stuff, Red Bulls. And then the third one up includes everything, including the alcoholic drinks.
So you really need to look at the drink package that you're wanting to purchase to make sure that that drink package is filling the desire that you have for the.
But I can tell you, it's our first time on Royal Caribbean, and you definitely need to get these packages before you get on the ship. They cost a lot more once you get on the ship.
They do. They really do. They do cost a lot more. So Now, let's
Drum roll.
reveal, drum roll please.
How much did you guess we paid for a soda package? If you guessed $60,
You are wrong.
if you guessed $70,
You're wrong.
$80,
Nope.
$90,
No.
it's like $95, y'all.
Actually, with tax and gratuities added to it, it was exactly $104.33.
That was with the two drinks.
Oh, that
too.
was with the two
It
drinks.
was 195, yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, 96,
$100.
96 yeah.
$100 for a drink package for 2 people, a soda package
For 3 nights.
for 3 nights. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the drink package. We did.
Choose wisely and also order before you get on the ship.
Bye now.
Bye, y'all.